The globe is struggling. People are suffering. We are struggling with something they would consider a luxurious life. We're still not happy. And the people in need, trust me, they would do anything to live your life. You're living a life that you're complaining about with you and your problems and your complaints and your health matters and your family matters. There are millions on earth who are willing today to take your life completely. They wouldn't mind at all living your life. And you're complaining? Come on, you don't really have problems. You haven't tasted real disaster. May Allah protect us. That's the blessing of Allah. Keep thanking Him. Keep thanking Him, because when you thank Him, you get more. وَإِذْ تَأَذَّنَ رَبُّكُمْ لَإِن شَكَرْتُمْ لَأَزِيدَنَّكُمْ. The announcement of Allah. He says, if you are thankful, I will grant you increase in the goodness. And if you are ungrateful, even what you have, perhaps punishment may overtake you. May Allah not do that to us. Ingratitude. Be grateful. Allah's given you. Allah's blessed you. Your problems are just a pinprick in the lives of others compared to theirs.